Everyone, here we have this very nice screw extraction kit. So it comes with 5 drill bits, ranging in different sizes. Now here's the box that they came in. And on the other side is the different measurements of the drill bits. So each drill bit, each head, is a little bit different, which is good, which should be useful when extracting any unwanted screws. And they should be able to fit into a nice electronical screwdriver or a drill. There's 5 of them. Come in a variety of sizes. So here's one of the drill bits in the drill. So overall, these drill bits are very useful. They're very handy because they come in a variety of sizes along with the different drill bit heads. Okay, thanks everybody.